Are there any risk associated with the prolonged use of mask? And could there be any risk of pathogen being developed with the regular use of this one?
People keep reusing the mask. Okay, that's not. If you're going especially to a hospital, I know many people who got it visiting, taking their relative to a hospital. If you're going to a hospital, then make sure that your mask, if you have to reuse it, put it out in the sun. Sunlight is a very good sterilizer. Drying is a good sterilizer. Don't reuse it for 5 days. Okay, keep it out dry. So what do? I have 5 masks. It's expensive. My hospital gives me 5 masks for a month. I use it through the month. But I number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, or what do? Earlier I was numbering them. Now I don't number them. So what do? I have a stick on which it goes up. 1, 2, 3, it's like that. Then at the end of that, I reverse it. So the first one comes first. That's simple. And put it out in the sun for dry. Sunlight, UV light, and warmth and drying kills the viruses. And you can recycle it. But if you keep reusing the mask, what happens? There you can have moistness and fungus can grow on that, and you can also get infected with fungus. Not good.
Yes. That was a good.
If you're using a cloth mask, if you're a cloth mask, wash it daily. Have 3, 4 of them and wash it daily. But don't go to a hospital with a simple cosmet. Buy some. These are not very expensive. Buy some of these and wear it over the cloth mask. And then recycle it in sunlight. But you're not protected. You need to still have the vaccine, and wear it correctly. Don't have this useless. You will inhale the virus and you'll get the disease. Everyone that I see, every patient, they'll start talking, sir, I have been having backache I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I've been having backache. They start talking like this. So please bring your mask up. I could be infected. I can infect you. Then they get scared. Because in a hospital setting, healthcare workers, many of them are infected. I have 11 doctors in my team. 6 of them have had the infection. 6 of them. More than 50% have had the infection. Touch wood, no one has had serious disease. Grace of God, that's all I'll say. But this is your best protection. And then what will they do? They'll keep doing this. If you have interacted with somebody who's infected, the virus is filtered here. It is hanging here. Don't touch here. If at all you have to do this. At home, you do this, you remove it like this. And then even with this, you're not happy. What do? I have a sanitizer. Immediately sanitize. And just what do? They do a little bit and do this. No. You'd use it liberally. And then do this, do this, do this, do this, and do this. Complete. Or wash with soap and water is better. Don't have a sanitizer, it is expensive. You go, soap and water is the best. It's better than the sanitizer. Because the virus has a coating which is destroyed by detergents and soaps. It's the best method. So this and the hand protection is the best way to protect. So you remember that. And lastly, distancing. If one person is wearing a mask, other one is not wearing a mask, the probability of infecting the person not wearing the mask is about 17%. They've done studies on this. If both are wearing a mask, which is reasonable, you reduce it down to less than 5%. If both are wearing an N95 mask, then the chances is further reduced. So therefore, distance. So the earlier the distance was about 6 feet. Now the ICMR has come out with a recommendation. It can spread up to 10 feet. So distance increase further. No, that's scaring people. as much possible mask, as much possible hand sanitization, as much possible distancing. Vaccine
Well explained.
gives you additional protection, but vaccine protection happens after 8 weeks and goes on to probably 6 months. So you may need to protect yourself every year. We don't know the final answer as yet. Okay, some people are still infected after vaccination, but that's expected because it's not 100% protection.